Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, new Indian nuclear submarine facility. Recent satellite imagery has sparked speculation about a new facility being constructed near Cochin shipyard in India. Experts believe this facility could be dedicated to developing larger nuclear submarines. The key features raising eyebrows include a new dry dock seemingly built for constructing massive vessels. This coincides with the location's proximity to L&T Heavy Engineering, a company already supplying hulls for India's existing nuclear submarine program. Next, gearing up for light tank development collaboration still unclear. Indian industrial giant Bharat Forge, led by Baba Kalyani, has announced its foray into the development of a light tank. However, there's uncertainty regarding the design approach, whether they will utilize the Defense Research and Development Organization's design, create their own entirely, or pursue collaboration remains unclear. Next, Jaguar Daring 3 versus Pakistani air defenses. The Indian Air Force Jaguar Daring 3 with Rampage missiles presents a potential threat to Pakistani's air defense systems, particularly those deployed by the Army and Air Force. However, the effectiveness depends on various factors. This upgraded version of the Jaguar fighter bomber boasts improved avionics and navigation systems, enhancing its ability to deliver weapons with precision. The pilot can launch the Rampage from a safe distance, minimizing the risk of exposure to Pakistani air defenses. The Rampage employs advanced guidance system for precise targeting of enemy installations. Next, delivering game-changing UAV munitions and Vishrad system to Indian Army. Adani Defense is poised for a significant milestone with the upcoming delivery of 2 critical weapon systems to Indian Army. The first delivery, scheduled for May 18, 2024, comprises the highly anticipated UAV launched precision guided munition. This marks the fulfillment of a limited series production order placed by the Indian Army. The ULPGM, jointly developed with the Defense Research and Development Organization, represents a revolutionary step in Indian aerial warfare. Next, China's super carrier launch casts shadow on Indian carrier ambitions. China's successful sea trial of its first domestically built supercarrier, the Fujian, has sent ripples across Asia, particularly to India. This 80,000-ton behemoth represents a significant leap in China's naval capabilities and throws a spotlight on India's own stalled aircraft carrier program. The Fujian boasts several advancements, including a cutting-edge integrated propulsion system and electromagnetic catapults, a technology currently possessed only by the US Navy. This allows for more efficient and reliable launching of heavier aircraft compared to traditional steam catapults. Next, hunt for deep sea riches in third Indian Ocean voyage. Scientists from India's National Centre for Polar and Ocean Research, based in Goa, are set for a month-long odyssey aboard the research vessel Argeo Searcher. This May marks their third voyage into the Indian Ocean as part of the government's ambitious Deep Ocean mission. The mission has a captivating objective to locate and explore hidden reserves of critical mineral deposits. These valuable resources are believed to be concentrated in polymetallic sulfide deposits found near hydrothermal vents in the ocean depths. Thank you.